helps me find what's around the world today. Let me count and show the way. What will we find when we count today? Let's go explore and start to play. 1 and 2, look at my shoe. 3 and 4, someone's at the door. Clap, clap. What surprises will we see? Count along, just follow me. 5 and 6, gathering sticks. 7, 8, line them up straight. In the yard beneath the sun, counting makes all tasks more fun. What will we find when we count today? More adventures coming our way. 9 and 10, a look at that hen. 11, 12, time to delve.